All right, guys, full disclosure. 91 Cadillac Brougham de Elegance, 20,000 miles. This is a demonstration of the radio. The radio works when it wants to work, but it's gonna have to be rebuilt, guys. I'm gonna set you guys up with whoever does the rebuilds on these. It's not terribly expensive. It's working right now, but you can see it's making like a little crackling noise, and the face isn't lighting up. So again, full disclosure, radio has a mind of its own, works when it wants to. I didn't have the time to wait for it to get sent off and rebuilt, but I want you to show you that it is the original radio, and it is somewhat working, but it will need to be rebuilt. So I'm gonna set that up. Whoever buys the car, we will pay to get it rebuilt. All you gotta do is pop it out, send it off, and wait for it to come back. So again, another full disclosure, we're very transparent. At least you know with us, you're gonna get the car that you think you're getting. There won't be any surprises, okay? So there it is, guys. Check it out. Good luck bidding.